In this video, we'll look at question 31 from the 2016 exam. In this question, we have 4 metal solid balls P, Q, R, and S. So 2 of them are in a room at 20 degrees, and the other 2 are in a room which is heated to 40 degrees. You can see the temperatures of the individual balls, 30, 30, 40, and 40. And there's a big difference between the blue ones and the red ones, because the red are matte, they're dull, and the blue balls are shiny. Now our task is to decide which of these will lose energy by convection and which one radiates the most, radiates thermal energy. So here's one fact for you. Convection is caused by temperature difference, and it does not depend on kind of the properties of the material in terms of shininess or matteness. There might be some small dependence, but generally speaking, both dull and shiny materials will convect thermal energy when exposed to a temperature difference. And such a temperature difference we only have for balls P and Q, and that means that only P and Q lose energy by convection. Here the temperature of the surroundings is the same as of the balls, so there's no reason why energy should be transferred by convection at all. Another point to note is that dull surfaces radiate energy more readily than shiny surfaces. Shiny surfaces generally are not as permeable as the dull ones, so they don't absorb well and they don't emit much. So it's probably going to be one of the dull balls which radiate the most. And the higher the temperature of an object, the more or the faster it will radiate thermal energy. And this now is something that does not depend on the temperature difference or on the temperature of the surroundings of that object. The sun would emit just as much thermal energy by radiation if it was just next to another big hot star as it is now in cold space. And since this ball S is at a higher temperature than the other matte ball, it means that ball S will radiate the most. And this combination of results, PQ and S, in the exam was option D, which was the right one to pick.